Yeah. Well, again, as always, the communications in this thing are completely fucked up.
Bit of miss.
Yep. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but for anybody that's done real ATC, I think it's irritating as all hell. Microsoft Flight Simulator had this stuff mostly right in 2006.
Well, to be honest, that's why I quite often don't bother with the radio, because it didn't work and I got fed up with it.
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to be away from the mic for a few minutes.
Request rearming. Copy. Rearming complete.
4 is back on comms.
Come back.
Thank you. I was wondering if you're sure you have that sound thing fixed, because you've been awful quiet today.
Yeah, it should be fixed. You want me to speak more? That's a novelty.
No, I was just curious that you weren't speaking more.
I was hoping you would, enjoy the quiet and.
It's all good by me.
Yeah.
Taxi for Cat 3. Cat 3. What's your status, Luke? Or Earhart?
I just took off heading north.
Got it. You got bombs with you, or what?
Yeah, let's get the bombs and TGP.
Copy that. Well, there's stuff to take out at the island airport still. The gun emplacements, couple planes on things, potential trucks, and still left over from the SAM stuff.
Copy.
And I'm sure there's at least 3 or 4 more vehicles like in the convoy on the island that could be taken out as well.
Really? Okay, heading to the convoy then.
Copy that.
Taxi into one.
Copy.
Ready to shoot.
Copy.
Salute.
SAT over to the west. What's that?
It's well out of the theater. What
Okay,
stuff we have to worry about.
So there's not is the stuff over there or?
Not really, no.
Okay.
At your 8 o'clock. Yeah, that SA2 site is further up the coast,
Copy.
and it's the start of some stuff I eventually plan to add, but haven't got around to.
Copy. You added it?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I was gonna, you know, kind of like with Wrongway's mission, where we have 2 or 3 or 4 different things we could do.
That's pretty
I'm
cool.
kind of thinking of adding some more.
Yeah,
I've got a couple things in here for A-10s and helicopters a little bit, but
but cool to add some more, I think.
yeah, I just haven't got around to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a part-time mission builder, as it were. Too many other stuff going on.
Did you make the mission originally?
Originally, I got this from a squadron AG-51, and it was really just bomb that island, and it was
Okay.
there
A
was
little too easy, yeah.
well, it was pretty easy, and then the only thing that the wrinkle they did have for a while is they had it at night.
Ah, copy.
And of course, I've added a bunch of other planes and scenarios, and a couple little. If you look in the F10 menu, there's a couple optional other missions that can be done. As I said, typically for helicopter or A-10 initially at the
Okay.
moment. But yep, that's the stuff over there. The more westerly is stuff I'm planning to add later.
Copy.
Are you steady altitude, Doc?
Second one?
Are you at 24 steady altitude?
24, yeah. I'm heading into bomber tank on the little island.
What do you want, 26 and 28 for?
I'll take 26 again. So at or below 26, and you could be at or above 28, and we should be no trouble. We just got to worry about that Air Force guy. You never know what altitude he's going to be at. But if he stays at or below 24, then we'll be fine. Then we'll be 2,000 feet staggered, 24.68. I'm gonna level off at 26 here.
Bombsway lacing.
Doors fenced in?
Fenced in.
Yeah, Shack T72.
I was going to say, I just saw a big boom on my targeting pod.
Didn't quite, it said 94% damage. It's burning.
Probably blow up in a minute then.
Yeah. But if it's 6% left, what's that? That's like the hatch on the turret and a wheel or something?
I was going to say, a wheel still attached? Yeah, I see two smoking on the west end here. I'm going to go for the closest one to the middle. I think that was the one I dinged the last time with my last bomb.
That's the one further away from the road, because there's one in line of that sort of closer to the road, isn't there?
Yeah, the one closer to the road is the one I'm going for. The one furthest away from the road is the one Earhart just hit. And those are both on the southwest side.
I'm looking at one, I'm 800, this distance, 830 miles. I'm not sure if it's dead or not.
Yeah, copy that.
I'll have to get a bit closer. Is that a launcher on the road to the northeast end of the road? Don't know if that's dead.
There looks like a tank almost in a tank or two almost in the middle. One's right beside a blown up spot and one's just a little slightly away from a blown up spot. Those two look still alive.
Yeah, I see them.
I don't think
But
anything
to
on the
the,
right of them is alive.
But to the southwest of that, on the same line furthest away from the road, there's something there and I can't tell if that's dead.
Yeah, I think everything off the road is dead except the two that are smoking and the two that I just pointed out. I think everything else looks dead to me. And I'm going to get the smoking one just closest to the road here now on this pass.
I'm dropping it on the same one I dropped on for the first time.
Yep, copy that. And what altitude are you at?
23,400.
Copy that. Alright, I'm 90 seconds out from drop.
Pretty much the same as you. I'm going
Yeah,
for
you're
those
about a
two
mile
that,
ahead of me here.
I'm going for the two that, what you said, one of those, furthest
In the
away
middle?
from the
Yeah.
road. Yeah, furthest away from the road.
Copy that.
I got it in point track rather than INR because someone drops a bomb, it'll move, won't it?
Yeah, probably. Well, and I'm about 40 seconds out right now.
I've got 34.
So I'd say both our bombs will be in the air at the same time.
Okay, I blew up my T-72.
Copy that. Yeah, I've got mine in point track as well for the same reasons, Loopy. So hopefully we'll both be able to get our guys. But we'll both drop roughly about
10
the same
seconds.
time. Yep, I'm 18.
Pickle. Mind you, mine's got a couple of extra seconds of low drop in it.
Pickle. And I didn't see anything go whizzing by my window, so that's good.
Oops. I could have sworn I put the LTDR on,
Copy that.
but I didn't see any boom.
I got mine, but it didn't say it's dead yet, but it's on fire right now. Ah, it says it's dead now.
Going back round
So-
to drop again on that same tank.
Okay, copy that. Yeah, should only be those two in the middle that are alive now.
Yeah, so you want to, I've got the one furthest away from the road.
Copy that. Are you rolling in, Earhart, or do you want me to take that last one?
No, just you guys finish. I'm going to the airport. See if I can find something.
Copy that. Yeah, there's a couple gun emplacements there and some planes on the ground and stuff. Alright, I'm rolling around for the one closest to the road in the center. You were going for the one furthest away from the road, correct, Loopy?
Yeah.
Copy. Pickle?
Pickle.
Yeah, these should be the last two.
Well, it should have been the last one.
Fair
I put
point.
that switch. I could have sworn I put that switch forward.
I'm pretty sure we've all done it. Sometimes if you're quick enough and you flip the manual trigger on the HUD, on the display there, you can still bag it.
No, I was that convinced I put it on. I was waiting for
That
the
you
zero.
never looked. Yeah, shack the tank.
No, it's done it again.
Did you set your fuse?
It went down to 0, it's gone off, and nothing's set.
Very strange. Did you set your fusings? E-fuse to instant?
Well, I should still see the bump on the ground, shouldn't I?
Well, maybe, yeah.
You normally you see the bump going and bump, didn't you?
Yeah.
But I hadn't. I just looked now and it was off.
Copy that. No
But
idea.
everything else was as I'd set it, 3-4 auto, but the fuse was on, wasn't on instant. Why did that change but the auto stayed the same?
No idea.
Oh,
Right.
well,
We'll let you swing around and kill that guy. You're taking 2 shots at him, 3rd time's a charm, sir.
Tack Shilka.
Shilka, where? Oh, you way over at the far airport?
At the airport, yeah.
Not at the one on the island here.
No, the main one.
Oh, okay.
yeah, you got moving vehicles there, haven't you?
Yep. And I found them on my radar.
Copy that. Right. Well, I'm still going to deal with the airport we have here yet. Because I think there's still some gun emplacements and shit there. The airport on the mainland isn't our primary, but it can be fun nevertheless.
Having fun.
Sure.
See if it gets it this time.
Copy that. Let's say 3rd time's the charm, sir.
Looks like a BTR or something.
Copy that.
Thumbs away.
He's going to take a 4th one because he's burning.
Well, at least you blew up this time. You hit him.
Yeah, I mean it was on point track.
Yeah. I don't think point track is quite as accurate as spot track if it's not moving. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I try to use spot track when I can, and then point track if the little bugger starts going. So
Yeah, that BTR driver got a headache. But
Nicely done.
87% damage.
Copy that.
Winchester mod.
Copy that. Oh, I got a nice view of a little gun emplacement that's going to go poof.
It blew up now, so...
Copy that. Good job.
Thank you.
Pickle. That'll about do it for that gun emplacement.
Doing Mach 1.6 now. Heading home.
Copy that. You're a 2-bomb guy and that's it, huh?
4 bombs, sir.
Wow, look at you stepping it up. What do you think, Loopy? Is the Air Force guys going to become useful after all, or what?
Wasn't too bad
That
today.
was right on its back corner again.
Nice, convoy's destroyed.
Well, you got him. You finished it up, though.
I mean, and that dot was right on the top of the turret.
Yeah.
It still dropped to the side. Well, that clears my bombs out anyway.
Try to catch me, guys.
What's that now? Look.
Try to catch me. I'm doing Mach 178. 179.
Well, I still got a shitload of bombs on.
I don't remember which altitude is, gives the best speed. Because I want to do Mach 2, right? But
Around 36 or 38,000, somewhere around.
I'm at 36,260.
Alright, found the other gun emplacement, but I'm too close to drop right now. I have to go around one more time. But I still have 5 bombs. 4 bombs after I bean this dude. then once I drop that, I'll climb up and see how fast I can get it home here after I drop those 5.
I'm kind of stuck at 1.84 at the moment.
Yep, copy that. Yeah, I doubt I mean, this thing totally clean with no pylons and stuff will do around 1.6 or 7 or 8, somewhere around there. I've had it up there before, but we'll see. I don't think I'll still have the pylons on here. I won't have the bombs on, but still have the fuel tank on too. Can't be throwing the fuel tank into the sea. We need those.
Yeah.
The CAG would be pissed with me on board if I throw the fuel tank away when I don't need to.
Yeah, I didn't get much higher than 1.86, 1.84.
Yeah, copy that.
I had to climb up to 40,000 feet.
Pickle. Bada bing, a bada boom. I think there's still some planes on the ramp here that I can blow up. Pickle. We'll put this one right on the back of the cargo plane there. Shack 1 Herky Bird. Pickle. Shack a MiG-21.